How to fix Facebook video icon missing. So go ahead and launch the Facebook application. Tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon found on the upper right corner. Now select the gear icon, which you can also find on the upper right corner. Then under Preferences, you will see this option, Navigation Bar. Select this option, and then select the Customize the Bar option. And so in this page, you will find a variety of shortcuts, and one of which is the video shortcut. So to add this shortcut to your navigation bar, all you have to do is to tap the drop-down arrow button beside video and select Pin. And so that is how you fix Facebook video icon missing. Thank you and have a great day.